Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Get ready to witness the future of rugged smartwatches as we explore everything there is to know about the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 3, a device rumored to revolutionize the world of premium wearables. Whether you're a serious athlete, an outdoor explorer, or someone who simply craves top-tier performance in a smartwatch, this model is shaping up to be a major game changer. This isn't just another incremental upgrade, it's a strategic leap forward for Apple's most durable smartwatch line yet. From the very beginning, the Ultra series was built to push boundaries. Designed with adventurers in mind, the original Ultra models were packed with rugged features, bold styling, and powerful functionality. But while the first and second generations delivered impressive durability and fitness tools, some users still questioned whether the series truly lived up to its Ultra label. That's why all eyes are now on the third generation, rumored to be launching in September 2025 alongside the iPhone 17, and expected to introduce a wave of innovative enhancements. Leaked information from respected sources across the tech industry suggests that Apple has made careful and deliberate choices with the Ultra 3, prioritizing meaningful improvements rather than superficial changes. One of the most notable updates comes in the form of a larger, brighter LTPO3 OLED display, which may reach up to 2.12 inches in size. This display upgrade promises superior visibility in harsh lighting conditions, better energy efficiency, and an overall sleeker appearance. The well-known titanium casing is expected to return, offering lightweight strength, while a potential new color option, a brownish silver tone, may bring a fresh, stylish flair to the lineup. In terms of performance, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to be powered by the S10 chip, a next-generation processor boasting improved speed and responsiveness. With its upgraded quad-core neural engine, the Ultra 3 will be more intelligent than ever, supporting advanced AI-driven features and more efficient health tracking. While the full power of Apple Intelligence might not be completely unlocked due to RAM constraints, users can still expect a much smarter experience than previous models, especially when paired with newer iPhones like the iPhone 17. One of the biggest talking points leading up to the Ultra 3's debut is satellite communication. Borrowing inspiration from the iPhone 14's safety features, this new capability would allow users to send emergency messages and limited texts even when cellular coverage is unavailable. Combined with rumored support for 5G RedCap, a more power-efficient form of 5G connectivity, the Ultra 3 could finally offer a reliable iPhone-free experience for those who spend significant time off the grid. Apple is also making strides in health tracking. The Ultra 3 is widely expected to introduce a new blood pressure monitoring system. While it won't replace clinical-grade tools, it will act as an early warning system, helping users monitor potential hypertension trends over time. Unfortunately, due to ongoing patent challenges, blood oxygen tracking might be disabled in some markets like the United States, though it will likely remain available in Europe and other regions. There's growing excitement around other health features Apple is working on, though they may not arrive just yet. These include non-invasive glucose tracking, a potential game-changer for diabetics, and hydration monitoring, which would be incredibly helpful during workouts or hot climates. While these features are still under development, Apple's steady march toward complete wellness integration is undeniable. The battery life remains an important consideration for any wearable, and the Ultra 3 appears set to maintain the already excellent 36-hour standard, with up to 72 hours in low-power mode. Thanks to the new chip and more efficient display, users might enjoy slightly better performance per charge. On top of that, reports hint at a larger charging coil, leading to faster top-ups, perfect for those always on the move. The Ultra 3 will run on the new watchOS 12, set to debut at WWDC 2025. While its AI capabilities may be scaled down compared to future models, the operating system will still bring smoother interactions, new fitness tools, and deeper iPhone integration. Particularly when paired with iOS 19, the Ultra 3 will function as a powerful extension of your digital life, blurring the line between smartwatch and health assistant. As with previous models, the expected price is $799, positioning the Ultra 3 as a premium investment. For many users, this cost is justified by the durability, cutting-edge tech, and peace of mind it delivers. And for those concerned about compatibility, there's good news. Existing watch bands are likely to work with the new model, avoiding the need to repurchase accessories. At Techno Trend Zone, we believe the Apple Watch Ultra 3 could finally be the moment when form, function, and future-ready tech come together in perfect balance. It may not look wildly different at first glance, but the upgrades under the hood are designed to matter where it counts, in real-world use. The focus is clearly on refinement and practical innovation, rather than gimmicks. If you already own the Ultra 2, you might want to wait for reviews to weigh your options. But for first-time buyers looking for the most advanced Apple Watch yet, the Ultra 3 looks like a smart and powerful choice, especially for those who live active lives and demand top performance from their gear. So stay tuned as we bring you even more insights, comparisons, and first-hand reviews the moment this beast of a smartwatch hits the market. Whether you're trekking across continents or just navigating your daily routine, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is gearing up to be the ultimate tech companion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for all the latest updates right here on Techno Trend Zone.